Hey there, future affiliate marketing stars. Want to earn passive income by recommending awesome products? You're in the right place. The secret sauce? A killer content plan. Think of your content plan as your roadmap to success. It guides you, keeps you focused, and helps you reach your destination, earning those sweet affiliate commissions. Without a plan, it's easy to get lost in the vast world of online content. But don't worry, we'll navigate this together, step by step. Ready to unlock your affiliate marketing potential? Let's dive in. Let's break down the content planning process into manageable steps. This guide will help you navigate through each phase with ease and confidence. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. With a clear plan, you'll find the process enjoyable and rewarding. Step 1. Define your niche. What are you passionate about? What topics do you know a lot about? Choose a niche that excites you and aligns with your interests. This will keep you motivated and ensure you have plenty of content ideas. Step 2. Identify your target audience. Who are you creating content for? What are their interests, needs, and pain points? Understanding your audience is crucial for creating relevant and engaging content. Conduct surveys, read comments, and engage with your audience to gather insights. Step 3. Set SMART goals. What do you want to achieve with your content plan? Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals to track your progress and stay motivated. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Step 4. Choose your content platforms. Where will you share your content? Consider your target audience and choose platforms where they hang out, such as blogs, YouTube, social media, or podcasts. Each platform has its own strengths, so select the ones that best suit your content style and audience preferences. Promoting the right products is essential for affiliate marketing success. Remember, it's about recommending products you genuinely believe in and that provide value to your audience. Focus on quality. Choose products that are high quality, reputable, and solve a specific problem for your audience. Avoid promoting anything you wouldn't personally recommend. Relevance is key. Select products that align with your niche and resonate with your target audience's interests and needs. Don't promote random products just because they offer high commissions. Consider your audience's budget. Offer a range of product options at different price points to cater to your audience's diverse budgets and preferences. To create content that truly resonates with your audience, you need to understand their needs, interests, and pain points. Here's how to get inside their heads. Conduct thorough research. Use tools like Google Analytics, social media analytics, and keyword research to gather data about your audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior. Create buyer personas. Develop fictional representations of your ideal customers based on your research. This helps you visualize your audience and tailor your content accordingly. Engage with your audience. Ask questions, respond to comments, and participate in online communities where your target audience hangs out. Listen to their feedback and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Section 5. Content ideas to inspire. Finding your niche. Now that you understand your audience, it's time to brainstorm content ideas that will capture their attention and drive affiliate sales. This is a crucial step in ensuring your content resonates and engages effectively. Here are some ideas to get you started. These suggestions will help you create valuable and engaging content that aligns with your niche and audience interests. Product reviews. Share your honest opinions and experiences using affiliate products, highlighting their benefits and drawbacks. This helps build trust and credibility with your audience. Tutorials and how-to guides. Create step-by-step guides that teach your audience how to use affiliate products to solve specific problems or achieve desired outcomes. These guides can be incredibly useful and highly shareable. Comparison. Posts. Compare and contrast different affiliate products in your niche, helping your audience make informed purchasing decisions. Highlighting key differences and similarities can be very insightful. Case studies. Share real-life examples of how you or others have used affiliate products successfully to achieve specific goals. These stories can be very persuasive and provide practical insights. Section 6. Content creation. Engaging your audience. Creating high-quality, engaging content is crucial for attracting and retaining your audience. Here are some tips to make your content shine. Focus on value. Provide valuable information, insights, or entertainment that benefits your audience and addresses their needs or interests. Keep it concise and clear. Use simple language, short paragraphs, and bullet points to make your content easy to read and understand. Use visuals. Incorporate images, videos, infographics, and other visual elements to break up text and make your content more engaging. Tell stories. Use storytelling techniques to connect with your audience on an emotional level and make your content more memorable. Section 7. Content promotion. Spreading the word. This section is crucial for ensuring your hard work pays off. Creating great content is only half the battle. The other half is making sure it reaches the right people. To maximize your affiliate marketing success, you need to promote your content effectively and get it in front of your target audience. This involves strategic planning and consistent effort. Leverage social media. Share your content on social media platforms where your audience hangs out, using relevant hashtags and engaging captions. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Utilize email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters or email blasts promoting your latest content and affiliate offers. Personalize your emails to make them more appealing. Collaborate with others. Partner with other bloggers, influencers, or businesses in your niche to cross-promote your content and reach a wider audience. Networking can open new doors and opportunities. Consider paid advertising. Run targeted ads on social media or search engines to drive traffic to your content and increase your reach. Monitor your ad performance and adjust your strategy as needed for optimal results. Section 8. Measuring success. Tracking your progress. Tracking your progress is crucial for understanding what's working, what's not, and how to optimize your content plan for better results. Monitor website traffic. Use tools like Google Analytics to track the number of visitors to your website, where they're coming from, and what content they're engaging with. Track affiliate sales. Monitor your affiliate dashboard to see how many sales you're generating, which products are performing well, and your overall earnings. Analyze social media engagement. Track likes, comments, shares, and click-through rates on your social media posts to gauge audience engagement and identify popular content. Section 9. Optimizing your content. Continuous improvement. Affiliate marketing is an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and improving. Regularly analyze your results and make adjustments to your content plan based on what you learn. Experiment with different content formats. Don't be afraid to try new things and experiment with different types of content to see what resonates best with your audience. Refresh older content. Update older blog posts or videos with fresh information, new visuals, or updated affiliate links to keep them relevant and engaging. Stay informed about industry trends. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices in affiliate marketing. Section 10. Take action. Start your affiliate marketing journey today. Congratulations! You've learned the essential steps to create a content plan that can drive affiliate marketing success. Remember, success takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating valuable content, promoting it effectively, and engaging with your audience. The world of affiliate marketing is yours to explore. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and watch your income grow. Now go out there and make it happen.